It's November 24th, 2023, and I'm about to go on a hike on this beautiful day in November. But I came across this sign, and it had me wondering, what the heck does it say? So if you read the sign, it tells you that as I'm going on my hike, I'm going to see a lot of trees that are cut down. And I'm like, why would you want to do that? You have to save the trees. So that's why they put this sign here. So the problem was there was an infestation of this beetle, which is called, if it says here, it is the, what is it? I think it's just
pine
a pine.
beetle.
Yes, thank you. It's a pine beetle. So the issue here is that they bore into these trees and they disrupt the nutrient flow to these trees, and the trees can die in about 2 to 4 months, which would disrupt the entire Pine Barrens ecosystem. So what the New York State Forestry Department did was they started cutting down the infected trees, which you can see in the boreholes here, and they cut down infected trees and they pretty much burned the entire area. This is a very interesting sign as well, because the yellow is the more managed area, which it says in the picture that the managed trees that they had cut down, the infestation only grew to about a fraction. But the unmanaged area grew 10 times more. So it's an interesting take on, yes, sometimes we do have to cut down the trees, but it's for the good of the entire ecosystem in order to do that, so that we can preserve the ecosystem as a whole and try to stop an infestation of something else.